Hey there, upcycling enthusiasts! Today, we're diving headfirst into the ultimate upcycling challenge. Imagine a junkyard filled with potential treasures. That's our playground. Together, we're on a mission to find hidden treasures in this vast sea of discarded stuff. And we're off! We're scavenging, hunting for the perfect items for our upcycling challenge. From rusty gears to discarded wood, we're digging through the forgotten, seeking hidden gems in this junkyard wonderland. Each of us has picked one item, something that others might see as trash, to transform into something amazing. Now it's time to sketch, plan, and brainstorm our designs. This is where creativity truly kicks in. We're not just transforming trash into treasure, we're giving a second life to discarded items. A sketch here, a plan there, and plenty of brainstorming. That's the recipe for our upcycling magic. It's a process filled with excitement, laughter, and a dash of uncertainty. But that's what makes it thrilling. And now the clock is ticking. Our 24-hour journey begins now. We're diving into the upcycling process and it's all systems go. As the clock continues to tick, our team is hands-on with their chosen items. The air is filled with the sounds of sawing, hammering, and the occasional laughter as they shape, mold, and transform what was once considered rubbish. Each piece is slowly but surely taking on a new form, a new purpose. We're working tirelessly, fueled by our passion for upcycling and the thrill of the challenge. With just minutes left, we're adding those final touches that make all the difference. It's crunch time, and every stroke of paint, every tightened screw, and every smoothed edge matters. It's these details that breathe new life into what was once discarded. The anticipation is palpable as each creation nears its final form, a testament to the power of resourcefulness and creativity. This is the magic of upcycling. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the big reveal. Feast your eyes on these transformed treasures. Once buried in the chaotic abyss of what was considered trash, these items have emerged like a phoenix, reborn through the power of creativity and sheer determination. Each piece tells a story of transformation, a journey from forgotten to fabulous, from discarded to desired. Through the fusion of imagination and resourcefulness, an old bicycle wheel has become a stunning wall clock. A worn-out suitcase is now a chic coffee table. A broken ladder has found a new life as a unique bookshelf. These aren't just objects. They are symbols of possibility, reminders that with a little creativity, we can breathe new life into the old and forgotten. We can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. We can make magic from the mundane. What started as discarded junk is now a testament to creativity, resourcefulness, and teamwork. This, my friends, is the power of upcycling. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. It has been full of creativity, resourcefulness, and teamwork. We hope we've sparked your interest and inspired you to see the potential in everyday items that may seem like trash. Remember, the world is your canvas and you are the artist. So go forth, explore, and create your own upcycling masterpiece. Now it's your turn to take on the ultimate upcycling challenge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring DIY projects.